Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how I installed the Thule Yepp Nexxt Mini on my RadRunner Plus bike. Things you would need are three 10cm spacers and a 5mm Allen wrench. After unboxing it, we have the bike seat and the adapter that comes with it, along with the things I mentioned before. Next step is removing the headset. To do this, we would remove the three bolts that connects it. Two of them are on the side and one is on the top. And once I remove that, I would place it gently on my front basket, which I would be removing later on. Then we remove the tapered spacer that comes with the bike. And in place of that, we install the adapter that comes with the bike seat. And on top of the adapter, I place the three 10cm spacers that I bought from Amazon. And then I put back the handlebar of the bike. And then we've installed the bike seat. We would use the larger set of the screws that comes with the bike to install the handlebar of the bike seat, and we would use the smaller of the screws to install the footrests. A couple of things I would like to talk about. First is that if you have a front basket, it's not compatible because the basket is in the way of the footrest, so therefore it has to be removed. Another thing is that you can use any combination of the spacers. I use three of 10cm one. The goal is to make the total length of the adapter plus the spacers to be equal to 55 centimeters. The adapter is 25 centimeters, so you can fill the rest with any combination as long as they are compatible with 1/1/8 inch stems. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, works fine, and thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them.